watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello crafty friends, it's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and we got another Cricut mystery box for you again. So this mystery box is called Cricut's Fanmail Joy Mystery Box. So everything in it is joy sized, but you can use the stuff regardless if you have a joy or not. So let's see the cutie in this box. Now this cutie did come out. He's a newly released cutie, or a newborn as I call him, because he came out last week in the Brighter Days mystery box. I was like, what was the name of that? So here is the cutie. Now he is Silver Green is his name. So, and he looks washed out here, so I will put him against white so you can see him actually. But he is like a gray, but doesn't have the bluish undertone of gray. So I think that's where they get the silver green from, because it's more kind of like a greenish undertone, but it's like a gray. And there he is against the white so you can see him. But he's another one of these, I would say in the neutral line, because it seems like there's like a neutral rainbow going on too that we're building. So he would go ahead and fit within that, I think. Oh, and I'm gonna go ahead and pop up here this cutie next to another close cutie that just came out recently. That way you can go ahead and see the difference in them. And because we got the cutie, the box is Access members only, but in those links below in the video description, you can go ahead and purchase the box, but you can also join Access and see all those benefits. Also in the box, we're getting the Core Colors basic tool set. So we're gonna get the scissors, the scraper, the weeder, the spatula. What did I forget? And the tweezers. I like it because they're pretty it's like a pastel rainbow, their colors. Like I said, last box, I'm happy to get these because they do get worn out over time, you know? Your scraper edge gets worn and all that. And inside the box, you're gonna get another box. This is the Joy Insert Card Bundle. And within this box, we are gonna get some pens. So these are the Joy pens. These are 0.3 red, blue, and black. And I know you're probably thinking, well, I can't use those unless I have a Joy, which previously would have been true, but now Cricut has those universal pens, and each pack of universal pens comes with an adapter. And what that adapter is going to do is just go ahead, take these pens, you'll place them in that adapter, and then place the adapter into your machine where your pen goes, so you can actually use the Joy with the Explorer, the Maker, and the Venture too. And we're getting a pack of the 0.4 markers here, and in this you're going to get green, violet, and red. And this here is a big insert card bundle, so let's see what all is in here. Ooh. And actually, there's way more color in this than I thought there was. Here we have the cream / gunmetal insert cards. So you're going to get 12 of these. These are 4.25 by the 5.5 inches. And so you're going to get 12 envelopes, 12 of the cream cards, and then 12 of these really pretty gunmetal inserts. But there's the gunmetal there. And ooh, I really like this pack. This is so pretty. But this is called the Merryweather pack. So there is 10 in here. Again, they're going to be that same size, 4.25 by 5.5. And the cards are going to be black. And then those inserts are this beautiful holographic, like pink magenta. And then this really pretty, like turquoisey blue. Think how pretty that will be peeking out behind these. And some more sparkly, because we're going to go ahead and get this 10 pack, again, same size. And then you're going to have 10 of the black cards and 10 of the red sparkly inserts there. I know one thing, graduation's coming up. And I think because these are our school colors here, I was like, ooh, this would be really cool for a grad card. And of course, Valentine's Day or anything love too, it's perfect for. It's actually called the Love Sampler. And then we're getting a 10 pack of the cream with the gold glitter inserts. Again, same size, that 4.25 by 5.5. So that A2 size. Now to use the insert cards as they're created, you will go ahead and use a Cricut card mat, which this is the Joy Cricut card mat. So these are the item that's in here that you won't be able to use with other machines, just because this is specifically for the Joy. How you do that is you put the insert card under the sleeve here, and then you'll push it all the way over so it's even on the top, and then lined up with your line here, what size your card is, and then you push it down and adhere it, then it cuts on your mat. So you get 5 of these. So you will have fresh Cricut card mats for a while. And that is everything, guys. That's in Cricut's Fanmail Joy Mystery Box. And the price of the box is $49.99 US, $69.99 Canadian, but because there's a cutie in the box, you have to be Access, so your Access discount will apply too. And you can find links to purchase those right below in our video description, and then those links to also join Access or to find the benefits of Access. One of the benefits is AI credits. So look into that, the AI credits, because Cricut is advancing with the AI. They now have Project Designer in Design Space, and they just launched their new coloring pages, which honestly, I have been coloring the past day and it's so fun and it's so stress relieving. And I really needed that. And here is actually an image I did. Now for this, I gave the AI prompt a Zen frog sitting on a mushroom in a forest. And then I chose the adventure style, and this is what it came up with. Is that not so stinking cool? And then for this one, I gave the prompt a unicorn drinking a boba tea in a field of flowers. And I chose the cute style for this because unicorns are cute. And I love the bold lines too that the cute style gives in this one. My daughter actually colored that one because she saw me coloring and she's like, can I color? Absolutely. Make it a family affair. And then this is another one I did. Now, this image, the image of the Bernedoodle on a sled and the elf hat, I actually made for a Christmas card I made this year of my Lucy Lou. And what I did was I made an AI caricature of her. There's actually an image in Design Space of a penguin riding on a sled, and I told AI to turn it into a Bernedoodle on the sled. But then in coloring pages, what I did is I just uploaded this and then told them to put it on a snowy hill with like trees in the background, and it made this image. So I can color my Lucy Lou. But I think that's such a fun thing, and that's not in Design Space. So I'm going to put the link below to how do you get to that, because it's actually creativelabs.cricut.com. So this is new in Cricut's Creative Labs, and this is in beta. So you can go ahead and create it, and then you can download it as a PNG, a PDF, or you can go ahead and print it. Go ahead and color it with crayons, colored pencils, markers. You can digitally do it and then put it into your iPad, and then you can color in too. Which is honestly, it's very stress relieving to color. I really think as adults, we need more coloring in our life after this. I'm like, why did we get away from this? We need coloring. And to me, there's just something about using an old school crayon. It just takes me back to when I was a 4th grade coloring champion. You can't tell by my coloring here. I took that way serious. I remember I won a pack of dinosaur fruit snacks. I did. I remember. So we have that going on. Also in the links, you can go ahead and purchase. This week's sale is the Make It Yours sales event, which when Cricut has that, that's always great because that means 50% off tools and materials, plus savings on the heat presses, machines, bundles. And right now they do have spend $100 on materials, get 15 off on top of that. So it's a great time for the Cricut sales. In the links, of course, our giveaway. Our current giveaway is $150 to spend at Cricut.com, and that ends in 2 days. Yes, that ends in 2 days. So you still got 2 days to enter that. And then once that one ends, we're going to go ahead and roll and start another one at the beginning of May. So I greatly appreciate you guys joining me today, and always whenever you guys tune in. I know I've been having issues going live, so those of you that have been in my live, thank you for braving with me. I tried, was it Tuesday, Wednesday, to go, and it would not connect to my YouTube for whatever reason. I tried and restarted, and it was not there. So on my next live, and it works. Hopefully, I'm going to go ahead and do a giveaway on my next live too. So make sure you join me. That will be on Saturday. So Saturday, noon Eastern, 11 a.m. You can go ahead and join me live on our Melody Lane YouTube. And well, right here, actually, on our Melody Lane YouTube. So everybody enjoy your week. It's supposed to be beautiful. Hope it's going to be beautiful where you are. And hope you make some beautiful things that make you happy. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.